What's up, gang? Mike here, head trader at True Trading Group. And September 11th, I'm going to start this video by just remembering all of those who lost their lives on this day. This is a very, important day to me. So I just want to kind of start that out with this video. And 18 years ago, we made a promise to never forget those who lost their lives today, but to also celebrate those who risked theirs on this day 18 years ago as well, to help others. So we remember those who lost their lives, and we salute, or at least I salute, those who risked their lives, not just today, but I salute you every day. And we'll start this video off with saying that. So with that said, get to my trading here today, guys. I feel like I just wasted the whole day today. I waited the entire day for a move that just never came. So today was just a frustrating day for me. I traded this YUMA, and I had such high hopes for YUMA today. I really had such high hopes. But after the morning push off the bell, there was nothing there. We had a huge squeeze in Fran later in the day, but I missed that move. I was really just focusing on on YUMA. I've been talking for the last couple of weeks saying that I think in September we're going to get like one of those, like a BPTH type of move. A stock that like opens up at $3 and runs to 15. Monster short squeeze. I feel like it's coming. I feel like we're going to get that type of move here pretty soon, like a stock that goes up 300, 400, 500% in a single day. I don't know why. I feel it. I feel it in my gut, feel it in my bones, and I really thought YUMA was going to be the one today. I thought YUMA had a chance to get to 650, maybe 850, and the way that it reacted off the opening bell, you probably had a chat room or something come in right off the bell and pump this thing to cause the halt. This thing halted within like 4 seconds. It was like the fastest trading halt I've ever seen in my life. But then once the stock reopened, it just surged higher with really good volume. And this volume was fantastic. I absolutely loved the volume on YUMA. This was just awesome. This is just awesome volume as this thing kept surging and pushing higher. No pullback for the first 15, 20 minutes of the day. No pullback. This thing just went straight up for the first 20 minutes of the day. And then when we got we finally got a pullback, I tried to get long this looking for some continuation. And guys, this setup, I'll go after this setup every time. I'll go after this setup again if I see it tomorrow. What we had here was huge volume off the opening bell push, a very calm, orderly, calm pullback right into the 23.6 Fibonacci level. The trade line was sitting here. We had a VWAP underneath it. Volume was slowing down drastically on the pullback. It's exactly what you want to see. I went ahead and I jumped in this at $4.38 right there on that pullback. Oh, I forgot my screenshot, guys, the trade announcements. I'm long here at $4.38, and my plan was to add to a maxed out tier 3 position size if YUMA did that. Okay, I was planning on adding to a maxed out position around 465, 470 area was where I was going to add to a max position size and look for, this volume to come back. I was going to look for, this kind of volume to send YUMA, okay, up through that downtrend line, and I thought we would have squeezed and we would have halted again, and then I thought we had a chance to see 650. We just never got it. I loved the setup, though. If I can see the setup again tomorrow, I'll go after it again. So that's where I entered. My stop was around 375. I held through this pullback. We started to rally it back, and it looked like we were going to bounce this thing back. And I'm sitting here on this little pop right here. I took 25% of my position off the table at $4.70. It's because, I was down on the trade earlier. I was down on the trade for about 30 minutes or maybe 40 minutes or so. And so when we kind of bounced back and started to make this pushback, I said, let me lighten my risk up here a little bit, and I took some off at 470, but I decided to hold on to the rest of the position literally for the whole day. Okay, I held through all of this. And I'm thinking to myself, I'm like, okay, you know, we're getting support at VWAP in the 23.6 fib level. Okay, maybe we're going to squeeze later in the afternoon. You know, here you are. See this support here at VWAP. I thought we had a chance to squeeze in the afternoon, and then we roll it over literally right before the close. And I exited right there at $4.21. So a total non-event. Basically break even on this trade, and I held it the entire damn day. So was frustrated to say the least. I really thought Yuma had a chance to be 650, 850 today with the volume that we saw early in the morning. I'm surprised that with how strong this thing was in that morning push that it didn't have enough juice to give you another move. So, and then gave it all back right into the close. Fran, on the other hand, gave you that short squeeze, and I was too focused on Yuma, and I missed this move. This was a really, really clean setup, too. We held yesterday's high perfectly. This was a very, very clean setup. There's yesterday's high, and you can see here is this morning's low. We got a double bottom gap up there in the morning. You see we double bottomed at yesterday's high, and then this thing just squeezed right during lunchtime and just really never looked back. Fran will be still on my watch list for tomorrow. This thing does still have room. It's got a small float, like 40% of the float is short, something like that. So this has room up to this gap entry point at 20, and then if it gets above that, you've got room up to here, which is like 24.50. And then you've got another gap. Okay, so, you know, today this thing definitely squeezed out in the afternoon. We'll see if it still has legs tomorrow. This will definitely be on watch. But like I said, guys, today I like wasted my whole damn day in Yuma. So sucks. It was frustrating. I had a good day yesterday with the J-Nug, long and short. Tried to, you know, just kind of keep the momentum going here today, and today is just a non-event. Was a waste of a day. Sucked. But I really do think that one of those moves is coming, guys, like a 300-400% mover. I think it's coming in the next couple weeks. I don't know. I just feel it in my gut, the way that the small caps have been trading. You're starting to get volume. I mean, they're trading much, much better over the last couple weeks than they were late July, early August. They're trading much better, so I'm thinking that we're going to get one of those squeeze-type moves. And when we get it, I'll be ready for it. You know, if you follow my channel, I've been talking about it for probably since the end of August. I said, guys, I think in September we're going to get that type of move. I thought we had a chance of seeing it in Yuma today, but turns out Fran was the one that squeezed. Still on watch list for tomorrow with that Fran. And when we get that move, guys, I'll be ready for it, believe me. All right, I'll see you guys in chat. Take care.